Hello, welcome.
Hey friends, welcome to our business update.
Business update. Welcome to our weekly business update.
We'll be back again with another weekly update.
Weekly business update.
The weekly update.
To our weekly
business
updates.
And welcome to the holiday weekly business update.
To the weekly business update.
Business update.
It's time for your weekly business update, and listen up. This one is fire.
Hi, everyone. I'm Shannon Bible, doTERRA's Chief Experience Officer and Executive Vice President of North America. And today is a very special day. Can you believe it's been 1 year since our very first weekly business update? It's time to celebrate. When I was first asked to lead the North America market, I'll be honest, it felt a little overwhelming. How could I truly connect with so many of you? And how could our team support your incredible work week in and week out? That's how the weekly business update was born. It started as a simple idea. What if we just had a few minutes each week to come together as a community? To touch base, unify, and stay in the know with the latest tools and updates to help you grow your business. And now here we are a full year later. We hope these updates have made a difference for you, both in your business and your life. To celebrate this milestone, we have something really special lined up. You'll get to hear from a few of our inspiring leaders who are seeing real momentum with the compensation plan and sharing how they've been building successful, sustainable businesses. And of course, we couldn't celebrate without a look back. So we pulled together some highlights in a fun weekly business update year in review. Trust me, you're going to love it.
Hey, I am Dr. Kelly Lancaster. I'm from Bowie, Texas, and I'm a Diamond doTERRA Wellness Advocate. And I wanted to talk a little bit about the Path of 500. Of all the things that we have come down with for our wellness advocates, this may be the best enhancement yet. And the reason that I love it so much is because it gives a new builder the opportunity to earn more money quicker and to see their business grow and see the fruit of their effort. And so for me as a leader, it's given me the ability to help people who may have been a casual share step into a place where they're earning real measurable income for their family that changes the trajectory of their life. I've been able to help several of my leaders to earn $500 in 100 days, and it's changed everything for them. It builds excitement for your team. It builds your team. It creates sustainability, and the people that you help in the process, you can't put a price tag on that. You know, I think that for wellness advocates to have tools in their toolbox that help them serve not only their customers, but their advocates better, I think that that is the biggest gift that we can give someone. When I think back to how I led doTERRA to begin with, where I always led with the product because I was there to help people, but I really neglected talking about the business. And now looking back, maybe I didn't serve them as well as I could have, because really what they needed from me was help with their financial health. And with a Path to 500, I've been able to really hone in a very specific and direct message, give a clear path for someone to generate significant revenue and change their family.
Hi, my name is Lonnie Gillespie. I was having some health issues. I wanted to not be reliant on all of the meds that I was on and things like that. So I wanted to feel better. That was really my only goal. And I found someone, Dr. Kelly Lancaster, and she thought I would be a great wellness advocate. You should know I was a hard no from the beginning. So as I started to share my story and help other people, I decided that maybe I can do this. Maybe I can sell this. And maybe I should become a wellness advocate. And so I did. And so the Path to 500 for me came just from trying to help others and then sharing their stories. And as I did that, and as I grew, and I really listened to my upline, great upline, very active, letting me know when I'm really close to missing something or making something that I need to go ahead and push a little harder and push through. That's how I got to my Path to 500 and how I am able to stay on it.
Before we wrap up, I want to take a moment to thank the amazing team behind the scenes who make this happen every single week. They pour their hearts into this because they care about you, just like I do. And we can't end without giving a big shout out to everyone pushing strong in the final weeks of Silver Club. We see your hustle, we feel your passion, and we are absolutely cheering you on to the finish line. As we celebrate this 1 year milestone, we'd love to hear from you. Drop your favorite weekly business update moment in the chat. Whether it was a powerful story, a helpful tool, or just a message that hit home, we want to know what stuck most with you. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned and share these with your teams so you don't miss a thing. We love you, we're cheering you on, and we hope this weekly update has helped you feel just a little closer to us here at the corporate offices. Happy 1-year anniversary, and here's to many more.
Watch this, I'ma show you how I do it. Like a pro, gotta hustle, get through it. No sweat, look good when I'm moving. I'ma rise, and it's a little.
Yeah, it's another day in the office. I've been warming up, so approach with caution. Yeah, up the heat, no cold feet, I'm locked in. Go against me, you might need a coffin. Where's the competition? Cause I don't see none. Matter of fact, there'll be none, so y'all can run the rerun. Show you how to work, I roll the sleeves up on my shirt. Built it from the ground, I had to rise from out the dirt.
Watch this, I'ma show you how I do it. Like a pro, gotta hustle, get through it. No sweat, look good when I'm moving. I'ma rise, and it's a little. Watch this, I'ma show you how I do it. Like a pro, gotta hustle, get through it. No sweat, look good when I'm moving. I'ma rise, and it's a little.
I know what I'm doing, I'm clean when I'm moving. And I've been on the wave, so you know that I'm fluid. When it comes to the team, I divide even. Eyes open to mind dreaming, I'm still scheming. I see trophies in the future, maybe even sooner, so I'm moving like a rumor. Showing how to work, I roll the sleeves up on my shirt. Built it from the ground, I had to rise from out the dirt.
Watch this, I'ma show you how I do it. Like a pro, gotta hustle, get through it. No sweat, look good when I'm moving. I'ma rise, and it's a little. Watch this, I'ma show you how I do it. Like a pro, gotta hustle, get through it.